Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a great day. This is Misty here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment and all that great stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. I've been going through my craft room and I have an overabundance of things. I've been collecting for a while and I'm overwhelmed. Those of you that know me know that my craft room is very, very small. So when I get too much, I get too cramped and there's no places for things, and it's sitting here and sitting there. And there's no sense in all this sitting here and not being used. So I thought I would make some little eclectic kits up for junk journals, embellishments. You can use this stuff for cards. I mean, all kinds of different things. But I thought I would make some kits and offer them up to you guys. Now, these kits include a lot of things. One of the things they include is this little snack bag. And in this snack bag, you're going to find some bling pieces. You're going to get some little die cuts, hearts, squares, flower shapes. There is some sequences in here. These so happen to be cute little snowmen, if that'll even focus. Cute little snowmen and things. Now these bags will vary. You'll have basically the same things, just probably just a touch difference. Not by much though. So, oops, I forgot a snowman. No snowman left behind. Put him in there. So you will get this pack. There's also some vellum in here, some vellum sheets. And this in here says, something tells me I'm going to cherish you forever. So you will get things like that. Here is some little envelopes, little bags I made. There's two of these in this particular pack. And there's also some die cuts in this as well that I have done. Little cats and hearts and flowers, tags, and all kinds of things in this pack. Let's put that back in there. There is some fabric samples that I have gotten. Here is some little botanical ephemera pieces. I got this a year ago yesterday, and I have just exhausted it, and I had so many, you guys. So I think I have one more of these, but this is a brand new pack, and it is wallpaper cutouts, and it says basil on it. Here is some wallpaper that I got a year ago yesterday, and I had some left, and I'm like, well, I'm gonna put these in this kit too. Then we'll get some music paper. Let me go ahead and slide that out. You will get some music paper, copyright 1937, so you will get that. You will get pages that is botanical. They have pictures like this. Some animals on the other side of this one here. You will get tags like this one here has oodles and oodles of tags. Like loads of tags in this. Here is some music paper. It's got some green cardstock on the back. You will get some 6x6 sheets of paper. This is music themed. Here is some more paper here, some scraps. I love this. I've used this a lot, and I think that's all I have left is what's in here. Here's a paper clip I made. Here is some more beautiful tags, you guys. Beautiful. I love this, and I've used that so much, and I thought I would offer it up in this pack here. Some napkins. Beautiful napkin there. This is a B&B bag. B&B is Bits and Bobs that I have made with a pocket here, and you have a pocket here and it zips up. I will be doing a video on how to make these for everybody if you're interested as well, but I'm offering it up in this pack here. Here is another 6x6 piece of paper. Here is some more paper, book pages, more paper here, a doily. Here's a card with a beautiful embossed rose. Here is some sales receipts, grocery sales receipts from 1947. And here is a little sales slip as well. It is vintage. So this is everything you will be getting in the kits. Just a moment, guys. That is my dude, and he just, you will have to hear him. There's nothing you can do when you have little ones at home. So, and most of you love hearing the dude, and most of you request to see the dude. So I'm not going to show you today or at this moment, but he's here. So these are all the things you can expect to see in these kits. Huge kits, you guys. And I usually put surprises in the packages as well. I always give extra. So these kits are $8, include shipping, US only. I have 31 kits. So if you are interested in these and want to snatch up some of these amazing kits, go over to my shop, Mac Jewelry, over on Facebook. Like it, and see the other things we have available. This will be in an album called Junk Journal Supplies. I also have some ruffles that I have made up for sale as well. Those are in that album too, and I've done a video showing you the different ones that I have made. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Go over and snatch up some of these kits here. They are amazing, and I wished I would have seen these when I started junk journaling for real. But thanks, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm going to leave you guys, as I always do, with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.